Okay, short assignment here on this one. You have $5 to spend on stamps. The stamp shop has packets of stamps on sale for 35 cents. How many packets can you buy? How much change will you get back? So let's look at this first answer. How much change will I get back? So I'm going to give them $5. So I put 5 minus, and then I don't know what the money amount is. Okay. So what do these packets cost? What do the stamps cost? 35 cents. And we don't know how many of them there are, so that's going to be times, put a dot, times X, because I don't know how many. But it can't be more than $5, so equals 5. Okay? I don't know how many there are. So I can't multiply, so I do the opposite, which is divide by 0.35. So I divide 5 by 0.35. Okay, I get 14.2. So I can only afford 14 of these. Okay. So we can only afford 14. Okay, so don't round up. Always take the number before, because that means you can only afford 14. Okay. So now, after you divide, you come over here. You take your 35 cents, because now you know what you're going to multiply by. You're going to multiply by 14. So 0.35 times 14, and I get 4.9. So it'd be $4.90. And that's what I subtract. So 4.90. So 5 minus 4.90 is 0.1, which means 10 cents. Okay? So, all right, so again, 0.35 times X equals $5, and you divide, you get 14. So 0.35 then times X is 14. Here, I'll even put it. X equals 14. So if I know X, 0.35 times 14 is 490. Okay, my next problem. You have $180 to spend on DVDs. Each DVD costs $19.90. How many DVDs can you buy? How much change will you get back? So I'm going to give them 180. And I'm going to subtract. Okay? Now to find what I'm subtracting, it's kind of a two-part process. Okay? Again, I should have split that down the middle. So the first, each DVD is $19.90. But I don't know how many DVDs there are. So times X. But I know I can't go over 180, so it has to equal 180 to start with here. So then I divide by 19.90. And then X equals okay, again, we can only afford 9, okay, because you can only buy whole DVDs. 9 DVDs. That's what you're buying. Now, over here, you take, again, the 1990 times X, but now I know X is 9, okay? So X is out, 9's in, and then I multiply. So 19.90 times 9 is $179.10. Okay, so 179.10, and then I can minus them. So 180 minus 179.10, I get 0.9. So that would be 90 cents. Okay. You have $250 to spend on bobblehead dolls. Each doll costs $24.95. How many bobbleheads can you buy? How much change will you get back? So I have $250 and then we're going to spend the money, so minus it. And there's two parts. Now each doll costs $24.95. But I don't know how many dolls there are, so it's times X. You can put dolls underneath it if that makes you feel better. Equals the $250. Okay, so then I divide by 24.95. And that'll tell me how many dolls I can get. So 250 divided by 24.95. Okay, I can buy 10. Okay, X equals 10 dolls, whatever you're buying. Okay, now to find the money amount, we take our $24.95 again, $24.95. Times, but I'm not going to times by X anymore because I know X is 10. So I'm going to times by 10, and that equals another amount. So 24.95 times 10 is $249.50. So that's how much I have to spend, and now I know what to subtract, $249.50. 250 minus 249.50, 0.5, so that would be 50 cents.